Hi guys, welcome to the Garmin Dashcam 55 review video. Garmin is one of the forefront companies providing road safety and geolocation devices. It offers a large range of dashcams that add to the driving experience of its users. The compact Garmin Dashcam 55 is a 3.7 megapixel high resolution camera featuring voice control, built in GPS, dual USB plugins, and driver alerts for extra security. The dashcam is priced at $173.99. We will be rating the pricing for this dashcam a score of B. The sales package for this dashcam includes dashcam, user manual, a 19 feet long car charger, 1.58 feet USB cable, 8 GB micro SD card, low profile magnetic mount, and an extra metal disc with a 3M adhesive pad. The Garmin Dashcam 55 is a minimalist, simple, and a lightweight device. It features a 2-inch LCD screen and comes with a semi-permanent magnetic mount. This also makes removal of the mount comparatively easier. The stealthy design of the dashcam is very handy in a city full of thieves. The hands-free voice control feature helps the driver to keep hands on the wheel while still recording. The sleek design, not bigger than a deck of playing cards, features an inbuilt microphone. The navigation buttons are placed on the right side of the device, and its operating temperature ranges from 4 degrees to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. We will be rating the design of this dashcam a score of B. The dashcam 55 has to be installed on the windshield by using the magnetic mount. A 3M adhesive pad is attached to the magnetic mount. The user can install the dashcam by removing the transparent film and attaching it to the desired place on the windshield. This has to be left for 24 hours before attaching the camera for use. The dashcam features a flexible mounted magnetic arm that makes it easier to adjust the camera and capture the desired field of view. We will be rating the ease of installation for this dashcam a score of B+. The sales package includes a 19 feet long power cable. After plugging the power cable into the USB port, direct the rest of the cable to the vehicle's charging port and plug in to power the device. The dashcam battery lasts only 30 minutes. The battery backup is not up to the mark, but in comparison to the other dashboard cameras, it is considered to be quite long. The 30-minute duration is not supposed to record any video, but rather save the already recorded video in case of a sudden power cut. The battery supplies the power when the device is not plugged into the wired power supply. The Dashcam 55 can be charged only via 12-volt charging port and by connecting the provided car charger only. After that, charge the dashcam via a car cigarette lighter or the car's DC power outlet. We will be rating power and battery a score of B. The Dashcam 55 requires an external microSD card for operation. Garmin recommends using a microSD card with a speed rating of 10 or higher. The sales package includes an 8 GB microSD card that supports up to 56 minutes of recording. The device supports memory cards with a maximum memory capacity of up to 64 GB. The 64 GB microSD card allows to record at least 8 hours of video when the resolution is set to 720p and 1080p. However, for a detailed quality video, 1440p is recommended. It should be noted that the higher resolution would take more space on the memory card. Since this only stores 56 minutes worth of recording, this is a very bad option for truck drivers. If an incident from a day ago needs to be revisited, it is not quite possible. Additionally, after an accident, if a user forgets to turn off recording, then that could cause the whole file to be overwritten. The risk of that makes this not worthwhile, and instead having ongoing video recording is a much easier option for peace of mind. We would be rating the memory on this dashcam a score of C. The Garmin Dashcam 55 features a 3.7 megapixel camera. The device records in 3 resolutions: 1440p at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 60 frames per second, and 1080p at 30 frames per second. It records videos with high dynamic range or HDR at 720p at 30 frames per second. The HDR video performs the best in handling glare and nighttime shots. It is recommended to record the videos at 1440p for capturing maximum detail. This might, however, mean investing in a microSD card with higher memory capacity. The dashcam does a really good job in automatic exposure. However, the videos seem to be a little less stabilized when compared to the videos shot by other dashcams. The jitter could possibly be due to the small size and lightweight of the dashcam or its magnetic mount that makes it more vulnerable to vibration. Videos shot during the daytime or well-lit conditions are quite good even with the sun glare. Hence, we will be rating the video quality for this dashcam a score of B. The videos recorded by the Garmin dashcam can be viewed on a smartphone. The smartphone has to be connected to the dashcam over Wi-Fi. The user then has to boot up the companion app called Verb. A companion app is to provide the user the ease of access and streamlining the functions on a single platform. However, the usability of Verb is very limited. It does not provide the option and convenience of changing any settings, thereby defeating the purpose of an app. The app only allows user to view the saved videos. To, to top it off, the interface is not particularly attractive and takes time getting used to. The dashcam menu system is also quite confusing at first, with very little information about what the icons for the camera's 4 buttons do. Hence, we will be rating the ease of accessing the videos a score of C. The dashcam offers alerts for various incidences. The Go alert notifies the driver as soon as the traffic starts moving ahead while the vehicle is still at a standstill. It works really well unless the driver is inattentive. It initiates alerts after sensing 40 to 50 feet of clearance. Another useful alert is the red light warning. It alerts the driver of upcoming red light cameras at intersections. This feature is provided free for a year. Post 1 year, it is a commitment of $25 per year to maintain it. Garmin offers an option to use this subscription service through Cyclops. The subscription plan offers updated red light camera and speed camera locations and help in keeping the dashcam up to date. The dashcam 55 also includes a forward collision warning. The driver receives a warning if there is a car approaching fast in front of the vehicle. Lane departure warnings alert the driver if they go outside the lane. We will be rating this feature a score of B+. The Garmin Dashcam 55 is one of the few dashcams that feature voice control. The features of the dashcam can be verbally activated by simply using the cue OK Garmin. After uttering the cue, the user can give the following commands: save video, take a picture, record audio, start travel lapse, and stop travel lapse. Verified users found the voice command to be dependable even in noisy conditions. Though the dashcam is primarily controlled by 4 buttons on the dashcam's right side, it can also be partially controlled by voice command feature. The voice command feature gives it a truly hands-free experience, and one can command the dashcam to carry out a task with hands still on the steering wheel. The risks of driver distraction are also highly reduced. Hence, we will be rating this feature a score of B+. The dashcam is equipped with gravity sensor or a G sensor. A G sensor detects any sudden impacts, for example, an accident or sharp turn, and automatically locks the recording of the video in real time. This video is locked and protected from being overwritten in case of low memory space. We will be rating the G sensor on this dashcam a score of B-. Parking mode allows you to monitor the vehicle for 24/7 when it is parked. This feature requires a hard wiring kit so that it can use the car's battery when the car is off or by using an external battery. The camera will remain in standby mode. It uses limited power and only turns on when the motion or an impact is detected. We will be rating parking monitor on this dashcam a score of B. Garmin is well known for its geolocation solutions. Its dashcam 55 is also GPS enabled. The feature translates the GPS data into the speed of vehicle, direction, etc. This information is then embedded into the video and is very useful feature for truckers, providing them with crucial information while filing insurance claims. We will be rating the GPS logger a score of B. Let's have a look at the pros of this dashcam. It is one of the most compact and discreet designs available in the market. The video quality is at par with the dash cams on the more expensive side. It offers a companion app, although with limitations. The dashcam records at 3 resolutions. The location, speed details, and the date are auto embedded in the videos. The dashcam features an internal battery. The hands-free voice control capabilities helps in reducing distractions while driving. The mount is very sturdy, secure, and quite flexible owing to the magnetic arm. Alerts provided by the device eases the driving experience by alerting drivers. It features an inbuilt microphone and has an excellent auto exposure. The dashcam auto locks the videos in any accidental events and prevents them from being overwritten. Moving on to cons. The dashcam is priced higher than the other dashcams that offer similar features. Captured videos have a noticeable jitter. The device heats up pretty quickly, highly inconvenient for truckers operating in warmer climates. The video is recorded only in 1 minute increments. There is no option to record videos at longer or shorter intervals. The menu interface on the dashcam is not the best. A new user will take some time to get used to it. The dashcam has a very short battery life. The companion app, Verb, is not competent enough. It does not allow changing settings or does anything other than help access and view the recorded videos. The videos can only be accessed by transferring the footage from microSD card to a computer or a mobile device. There is no data backup or a cloud-based storage provided. The Garmin Dashcam 55 is very sleek and compact dashcam that comes with an unobtrusive and secure mount. It records in 3 resolutions and performs really well in daytime. The videos shot during the nighttime are a tad underwhelming when compared to other dashcams at the price range. The recorded footage has a tiny amount of jitter, which may be caused due to the size of the device. The alerts are an added advantage of owning this dashcam. The companion app is extremely limited. The inability to change the settings is extremely disappointing. It is important to note that the Dashcam 55 is not the best performer when it comes to maintaining its temperature in prolonged usage. The device heats up rather quickly, and hence users from warmer climates like as Arizona or Florida might want to skip the Dashcam 55. We will be rating the overall score of the Garmin Dashcam 55 a score of C+.